Okay, so this is how you would convert a video that you just recorded into an MP4 file so you can upload it onto YouTube easier. So down here, you'll have like your blue save icon, your yellow folder, your green share button. I like to export my video first because it compresses it. So hit this little like white square with the play button in the middle, and it'll automatically go to an MP4. Okay, and this video format plays on most computers, including like Macs and Apples and everything. So this is the format I always select. Then you just click OK. And I don't change anything here. I still keep the same aspect ratio and everything. And you can click export. I'll just save it as Canvas Tutorial 1. I already had this saved, but we can save it again. Then all you're going to do is you are just going to let it export to that MP4. This video isn't very long, so it shouldn't take too long. On the Surface Goes, it takes quite a bit of time, so but this one should only take a couple seconds, maybe like a minute to upload. While that's uploading, I'm going to show you. So then you'll go to YouTube. Okay, I already have a YouTube account and I post my videos on YouTube as well, just in case like Canvas doesn't save the video for some reason. So I'll create a video or a post right here. Upload video. Okay, and now all you have to do is drag and drop a file that you want, or you can click select file from your computer. So mine are in, I believe I keep mine in videos right here. And then I have or maybe I kept it in here. Right here. So here I have my Canvas tutorial. I'm just going to click open. Oop. Okay, so here I'll just like title it, and you can like tell them about the video, like how to navigate my Canvas page. Okay, and you can like do whatever you want if you have a playlist on YouTube. I always click that yes, it's made for kids, because then it won't do ads and stuff on it. Here's the video link. So if you want to upload it into OneDrive, you literally just click copy video link. Okay, and then you can go into OneDrive and hit add online video or whatever, and you should be able to do it. In fact, if I go to OneNote right now, say I have this untitled page, I can insert online video, and I just post that. But the reason why I fell is because I didn't publish it yet. So I'd have to hit next, next, public, publish. Okay. So here I have my Canvas video. Okay, now it should be able to work. And then it will just go straight to here. So, ta-da! Okay, let me know if you have any questions.